ældre Jana-prøve, som vi jo fik senere. For det viser jo, at konklusionerne, som jeg drog fra den yngre Maltar-prøve, den her såkaldte proto-europæer, altså, de er forkerte. Altså, jeg tog simpelthen fejl. It has been quite hard for me presenting or preparing this talk because along this route I have misinterpreted some of my own findings. Basically because I'm a European and it's pretty clear that background has affected how I initially interpreted the results. Because I assumed European must be the old one, the Americas must be the young one. And based on that, you know, I myself, when I'm interpreting my data, I'm taking that view. And it was first when I got direct evidence which contradicted that, I was like, oh, what have I done? You know, this is totally wrong. We can see that this group of Jana and Maltar is neither Asian, neither European. It's something completely unique. So when the branches separates into